There's a kind of person you should never help, and this story explains why. One day, a scorpion asked a frog to help it cross a river. The frog hesitated. "If I carry you on my back, you might sting me," he said. The scorpion replied, "Why would I? If I sting you, we'll both drown." That seemed logical, so the frog agreed. Halfway across, the frog felt a sudden sharp sting. As they both began to sink, the frog gasped, "Why now? We'll both die." The scorpion helplessly answered, "I know, but it's in my nature." They sank together beneath the water. This story reminds us no matter how logical someone's promise sounds, some people cannot change who they are. If someone is ruled by destructive habits, your kindness won't fix them. It might just pull you down with them. Be kind, but be wise. Don't ignore the nature of those you choose to trust.